Millions of kilometers away, on a dusty red planet, Earth has sent its mechanical explorers, robots, to uncover the mysteries of Mars. These are not ordinary machines, they are our eyes and ears on another world. For decades, these robotics explorers have been digging, drilling, flying, and scanning. Here's what humanity now knows: Mars was not only a cold desert. Billions of years ago, it had rivers, lakes, and even oceans. Curved riverbeds and smooth pebbles prove water once flowed strongly across its surface. Beneath the surface lies frozen water ice, and scientists even see signs of salty water that may still seep today. The air is thin, made mostly of carbon dioxide, but every now and then something strange happens. The rovers detect methane gas, which could hint at hidden life or mysterious geological activity. Mars rocks hold organic molecules, the chemical building blocks of life. That means Mars may once have been a place where tiny microbes could live. Mars lost its thick atmosphere long ago, blown away by solar winds, turning it into the dry, cold planet we see today. In 2012, after traveling 570 million kilometers through space, a car-sized robot named Curiosity landed inside Gale crater with a dramatic sky crane landing. Curiosity was not there just to take photos. It had a mission to find out whether Mars was ever a place where life could survive. And guess what? It found evidence of an ancient lake with all the right ingredients: water, energy, and nutrients that microbes would need to live. The robot has zapped rocks with a laser to reveal this chemistry. It sniffed the air and found mysterious methane spikes. The robot can drill into stones and discovered organic carbons. And the other thing that the robot has, that it can measure radiation to help plan future astronauts mission. This robot has already traveled over 30 kilometers, climbing mountains and drilling holes, acting like a robot geologist on another planet. In 2021, scientists sent there another robot that can fly there. It was Perseverance rover. It carries the Ingenuity helicopter, the first aircraft to fly on another planet. Imagine a tiny drone buzzing in the thin Martian sky. That's Ingenuity providing flight is possible on Mars. Perseverance is even preparing samples of rocks and soil to one day send back to Earth so humans can study actual pieces of Mars in labs. All these machines together have changed the way we see Mars. We no longer see it as just a dead world. We now know it was once blue and alive with water, and perhaps it could have hosted life. And now, with Curiosity, Perseverance, and the Ingenuity helicopter, we are getting closer and closer to answering one of the greatest questions of all times: are we alone in the universe? Dear friends, if you like the video, then press the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.